Embarkation day. We are currently in New York City, leaving the hotel, heading to Brooklyn to the cruise terminal. We'll see you soon. Just got the taxi. We are heading to the port. There she is, our home this week. Just got through security. It was a little chaotic, not bad though. Now we're waiting to embark, I guess. We aren't really sure. I think we're checking in now. It's not like Carnival. It's different. So we don't know much, but we'll see you inside. It is cool. Thank you. Here we go. Thank you.
I should say to you also, watch your step.
I'm like, that was too late.
Ramp.
Thank you. Be ready to board MSC. So excited. Here she is, MSC. Welcome. Welcome. She is beautiful. This is so cool. So we're heading to our assembly station?
Yes.
So it's like our muster station.
Yes. Okay.
So that's it? We're done?
Should we drop the
bags
stuff
off? Yeah.
Here's the Mexican.
Okay.
Here's the chocolate plate.
What's over here?
The chocolate.
Oh, like we saw in Vegas.
Yeah.
That same guy in Vegas, right? It's beautiful. Hello, good morning. It's pretty cool.
Marketplace.
But it's not like Princess if I could find you out here.
What?
It's not like Princess if I could find you.
I don't know, but I don't.
Because it's not a medallion thing.
No, but you tap that, but no.
Oh, yeah.
Because
Okay.
that'll give you like your balance and everything.
In front of the whole world to see your balance?
Yeah.
This is pretty cool though. All the menus.
It's tonight's menu is. Oh, let's see what lunch is. Shall we?
Oh yeah, see if it's even worth staying here.
Why we need some? Oh no.
Oh yeah, I'm hungry
Well,
anyway.
they have the pizza and everything. I'm sure it's fine.
Okay.
Specialty.
We ready to go in? Ready for our first buffet on MSC Meraviglia. Meraviglia? Good morning. Meraviglia. Meraviglia. Woo, Lord, this is huge. So it's Embarkation Day on MSC Meraviglia, and we are in the marketplace for some lunch. It's about 10:30 or so. We just opened up. So let's take a look at the restaurants. So here's a grill. We got cheeseburger, beef burger, hot dogs, French fries, onions, mushrooms, all your side dishes, cold cuts. Is it all closed? So we were told it was open at 10:30, and now they're saying it's open at 11. So so we have to wait like a half an hour to get food, it sounds like. It's a little weird to me, but let's see what they have anyway. dessert station looks amazing. Wow. And then there's more over here. Looks like more desserts over here. Cold cuts and cheese. I'll get a better video, I guess, when it's open. Cold cuts and cheese. Breads. View of the city. More breads. This is sick. Rotisserie. Well, it's our first MSC cruise, but seeing this food, this could change the game. I don't know. Salad bar. Morning. How are you? More salads. Soups and pastas. This is crazy. Alright, so I guess we have to wait till 11. It's a little confusing when it opens and when it's not open, so I don't know. Cold cuts and cheese. Okay, so the burger side's open, it looks like, and hot dogs and burgers are open. And the wellness side is open, but I don't think the rest of it's open. Maybe the pizza's open. So here's the wellness and vitality. Morning! These cute salads. Oh my gosh, toppings are amazing. And pizza. Margarita pizza, spicy salami, bacon, 4 cheese. Here's the view outside the dining room. There's Statue of Liberty.
Immediately upon embarkation, guests sharing the same cabin are required to proceed directly to their designated assembly station. Following the left indicated.
So it's 10:30. We found some food that was available in the buffet. I got a burger and fries. I think Zach's getting pizza. But it's 10:30, we're on. The whole process was pretty easy and quick. I'll talk more about that later on. I'm gonna have some lunch right now. All right, so Zach just had most of his pizza. First pizza on MSC. Reactions?
It's pretty good. Pretty good. The crust is really nice and thick.
Looks like Domino's a little bit.
Better than Domino's.
Better than Domino's? Okay, we did better than Domino's. All right, very good. It was the cheese,
Cheese.
of course.
Margarita.
All right, perfect. So I just had a burger and fries from the buffet. The burgers, so I'm kind of picky with my burgers. I like them just plain with just cheese. The burgers on the buffet line had like pickles and a weird sauce and lettuce and stuff on them and onions, and I was like, oh no, I don't want that. So then the guy was like, oh, you want a plain one? And he's like, I'll make you a plain one. So he made me a fresh plain one. It was good. I don't like guys burgers, so this is better for me, but it tasted definitely like a buffet style burger. But it was good though. It's good to have the option, and the fries were good. So the next to the burgers, there's like a topping bar, so you could have more toppings. So it was good. So like here's what the burger really does come with. It's like pickles and sauce and onions and all that stuff, which I didn't see. I saw the lettuce, so I was like, I can scrape it off, but then I really want to skip all the other stuff off of it, so. First drink at MSC. We're on deck 5. Here's to a NA mojito, a no-ito.